Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in next 2 minutes I'm going to share simple steps to start with the Angular environment setup. So I will share a few steps, few simple steps in next 2 minutes and then you can start with your Angular application. So to for the environment setup, number one thing which we need is Node. Number two is npm and number three is Angular CLI. So first thing we are going to check like we already having this node npm and Angular CLI installed in our application in our system or not. So to check this, I can just type in the command prompt npm and I can see that my command prompt is saying npm is not recognized as an internal or external command. Similarly, to check for Angular CLI, I can type like ng and then I can see that my command prompt is saying ng is not recognized as an internal or external command. So we need to install that both the things. So to install Node and npm, we just need to install this Node.js exe. So this is a website. I can share this in the description, and we are going to download this exe from here. So this is a version we are downloading for Node.js. And installation is also very simple. It's just few clicks. So I'm just clicking on this exe and it is preparing for install. Just now I'm clicking on next. I'm accepting the terms and condition. Next, 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 and it's ready to install. So I'm done with the Node.js installation and let's go back to our command prompt and now if I will type I'm sure I will still get the same error and I will tell you why. So let me type npm here and yes we are getting the same npm is not recognized as an internal or external command. So to fix this, to get the correct record from this npm, we need to open a new instance of command prompt. So let me open a new instance and now let me run npm here. So this time we are getting the all commands which we can run with the npm. So let me run npm version command and we can see our npm and node version. Now next thing we need is Angular CLI. So let me run ng again. So we can see ng is not recognized. So we can install Angular CLI with the help of npm. So npm, then I will type I. This is for install, and we are installing it globally. So let me say g, and then we can say Angular CLI. And here I can define any specific version also, but if we are not defining, it is going to take latest one. So let's not define any version here and let enter. So I'm done with the Angular CLI installation also, and this is three things we needed to for the Angular environment setup. And from now here you can start creating your Angular project. Let's check re-verify our CLI installation also. So let me check with some another command prompt, and here let's me type ng version. So we can see that we are getting that version and our Angular CLI version is 15.0.04. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.